To determine if Pibank has Zelle in 2025, we need to understand what Zelle is and how it works with banks. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. First, we need to check if Pibank participates in the Zelle network. We can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their bank locator tool. If Pibank is listed, it means they are a participating bank and their customers can use Zelle to send and receive money. If Pibank is not listed, we need to contact their customer service directly to ask if they have plans to join the Zelle network in the future. We can also ask about any alternative payment services they may offer that provide similar functionality to Zelle. Assuming Pibank does participate in the Zelle network, we can then proceed to enroll in the service. This typically involves downloading the Zelle app or accessing it through Pibank's mobile banking app. We will need to create a profile, link our Pibank account, and verify our identity. Once we are enrolled, we can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, we simply need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, the amount we want to send, and confirm the transaction. The recipient will then receive a notification and can claim the money by enrolling in Zelle if they haven't already. It's essential to note that Zelle transactions are typically processed in minutes, and the service is generally free, although some banks may charge small fees for certain transactions. We should always review Pibank's terms and conditions to understand any potential fees or limitations associated with using Zelle. In conclusion, to determine if Pibank has Zelle in 2025, we need to check their participation in the Zelle network and understand the enrollment process. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, we can safely and efficiently use Zelle to send and receive money through our Pibank account.